Hi guys, welcome to Puliari's kitchen. Today we are going to learn an easy one pot chicken curry. This chicken curry is very tasty and can be served with rice, naan, tortillas, etc. This recipe requires very few ingredients and it's very easy to make. Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to make chicken curry from the Puliari's kitchen. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe when you make this. To make this curry, I have taken 3 pounds of chicken. I have taken thighs and leg pieces for this recipe today. We need 2 big onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste. We need turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala powder. We need 2 cups of water and 1 can of coconut milk. First wash and clean the chicken. Finely chop the onions and tomatoes and slit the green chilies and keep it ready. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a big pan add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, you can add the finely chopped onions to this. Stirring the onions, you can cook this for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Mix it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of salt or you can add salt according to your taste. Add 4 slit green chilies now. If you want it little spicy, you can add 2 more green chilies to this. Add the chopped tomatoes to this now. Mix it well and cook for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well so the spice powders will blend nicely with the onions and tomatoes. Cook until the raw smell goes away. Add 2 cups of water now. This is a very tasty curry. My family loves it and everybody I have served it to also loves it. Add the coconut milk and mix it well. and then bring it to a boil. This is the curry base, and you can add vegetables and make vegetable curry. You can add fish, shrimp, eggs, etc. using the curry base and make different varieties of this curry. You can add some cilantro now. Once the curry comes to a boil, you can add the washed and cleaned chicken to this. Mix it well and bring the curry to a boil. Close it with the lid and cook on low-medium flame for 30 minutes. Every now and then you can open the lid and stir the curry. After 30 minutes, you can open the lid and make sure your chicken is cooked, and you can switch off the stove. Your world famous chicken curry is ready from the Puliadi's kitchen. Enjoy this curry with rice and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you.